Okay, so in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how you can actually set up and schedule a Google Hangouts event using nothing more than your mobile phone. Now before you do this, what you're going to need to do is install two apps. You're going to need to install Google Calendar and also Google Hangouts, and then once you've installed them, actually obviously go into them, sign into your Google account on both apps. So to create a new event, first we would open up Google Calendar. So we'll just open that up like so. Now once Google Calendar's open, what we do then is we go down here to the plus and we click on that. And again, we're given three options here, so we click again there on the event because we're creating an event. Okay, from there we can now enter in a title for the event. So we'll just enter in a quick title. We'll just call this one Testing 1 2 3, which is just a demonstration video. And then you can either click there on your screen or on there, so it doesn't matter which one you do, like so. Right, next is the actual time of the meeting. So what you do now is say we click there where it says Wednesday, and that will then bring up the calendar like so. So what you can do here is you can then select whatever day you want like so. So we've just selected Thursday, the 11th of January, and from there we can then alter the time here by just scrolling it like so. So we'll just say 5 o'clock there. Next we're going to click down here, that's the end of the meeting. So we'll click there and we'll make the end of the meeting. I don't want it to be half an hour, so I'm going to actually just click here where it's got 17:30, and I'm just going to make that 17:15 like so. Right, next we can scroll on down the screen. You'll notice now we have a notification 30 minutes before the event to remind us that it's up and coming, and also we have a notification at 5 minutes before. Right, now the next bit is who's going to be joining. So you would click on add guests, and now from this screen obviously you can see all your guests. One thing I'm going to do before I continue is just uncheck this. I don't want my guests inviting others. Yeah, I'll decide who's going to be there or not. And in this case I'm going to click there on Joseph. So we'll click on Joseph. There we are. And then simply click on done up here at the top. And there we go. Now you'll notice we've got the option now to add a hangout. So we'll click on this here, and that has now made it a hangout event. So you can scroll again just to check the time and things like so. So it's going to be starting at 5 o'clock in the evening on Thursday the 11th of January and finishing again same day 15 minutes later. Then after that, all you have to do is go up here and click on save. I'm not going to do that now because obviously Joseph will get a notification from me and think, what the hell, what's he doing scheduling a Hangouts for next year? And that's basically it. So thanks for watching the video.